So today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Galaxy SmartTag 2 without your phone. Now obviously doing it with the phone is extremely easy when you have your phone around. In fact, I have a video on that linked in the description. But let's say you don't have access to your phone and you want to factory reset your SmartTag 2, then you're gonna have to do a hard reset. And that's very simple. So all you have to do is get a SIM ejector tool. You can use the one that comes in the box or just any SIM ejector tool that you can find nearby. And then you want to put the SIM ejector tool into this little hole here like this. And then you want to hold it like this and then push down. Okay, so you want to push down like this until you pop out the battery. So with the battery out like that, so the battery is out now. So what you need to do now is put the battery like this, and then now what I need you to do is press this button here. So there's a button underneath here, so you want to press and hold that button, and as you're holding that button, push the battery inside completely and continue holding that button. So just keep holding that button for about 10 seconds. You're gonna hear the SmartTag make a couple of sounds, so just be patient. There you go, that's the first sound. You'll hear another sound. There you go, a double beep, and then you'll hear that sound. Once you hear that sound, then you've successfully hard reset your SmartTag 2, and now you can pick up your phone and reset it or set it up afresh all over again. Thanks for watching and good luck.